How to fix Instagram feed could not refresh error. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, head over to your Play Store and then search for Instagram. If there is an update button instead of this open button, tap on it and get the latest version of Instagram. Next, go to Settings, go to Apps, find Instagram, go to its storage section, then tap on Clear Cache, and your problem should be fixed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.